Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to DJI's newest release, the DJI NEO 2024. This drone brings some incredible advancements in technology, and I'm here to take you through every detail, from design to flight performance, and everything in between. Starting off with design, the DJI NEO has a sleek, compact body with a reinforced frame that's built to last. It's lightweight and has improved aerodynamics to give it better stability in flight, even in windy conditions. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know: the camera. The NEO 2024 is equipped with a stunning 6K camera that can capture high-resolution photos and ultra-smooth videos. Plus, it supports HDR, so your footage has rich colors, vivid contrast, and lifelike detail. Moving on to battery life, the DJI NEO 2024 boasts an impressive 40 minutes of flight time per charge. That's some serious flying time. It means you can shoot uninterrupted for longer and get those perfect shots. Let's dive into the smart features DJI has packed into this drone. The NEO 2024 comes with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, allowing it to navigate around obstacles in real time, making it super safe and easy to fly even for beginners. Additionally, it has upgraded intelligent flight modes like Smart Follow and Auto Track, letting the drone follow a moving subject with precision. The new controller is another highlight. It has a comfortable grip and an intuitive layout. Plus, it's compatible with DJI's updated app, allowing you to customize settings and view live footage in real time. In terms of performance, the DJI NEO 2024 is rock solid. It has upgraded GPS and stabilization features, which give it pinpoint accuracy and keep it steady in various weather conditions. So who's the DJI NEO 2024 for? Honestly, it's perfect for everyone, from beginner drone pilots to pro filmmakers. If you're looking for a drone that's powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this one is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more.